Hi there, Azalea here with Emerge Skin and Soul with another Tuesday tip. And today I'm just going to be demonstrating our My Skin Buddy. And this is a tool that we are reintroducing to the treatment room. And we are also retailing this for at-home use. So I just wanted to give you a demonstration of how you can use this tool at home to give yourself a professional facial treatment at home on a regular basis. So the first thing I'm going to do is begin with our lipid replacing cleansing gel, and this is a foaming face wash. And I'm just going to apply it to my skin. And just put a little more water on the skin. And then all you have to do is press it one time and it's going to turn on the first phase, which is the cleansing phase. So with this cleansing phase, you're going to feel the ultrasonic vibration, but you're also going to feel a little heat. So this helps to warm up the skin and helps to loosen up any dirt and debris down in the pores. So all over the face, this can be used to give yourself a really thorough cleanse at home. All right, so I'm gonna move right along so we can keep this video going. So you're gonna hold the button for a few seconds until you hear it beep, and then that will be shutting it off. And then I'm just gonna wipe my cleanser off. And I'm gonna give myself a really light, gentle exfoliation today with the Azalea Grapefruit Polishing Powder. And this is a powder that you can use alone, like I am using it, or you can sprinkle it into your cleanser for an exfoliating, brightening cleanse a couple of times a week. But I am applying this all over to use with my Skin Buddy today. And I always just apply a little more water than usual when I'm using my Skin Buddy, just for the extra slip and glide. So for the exfoliation, I am also going to incorporate a little 2x2 cotton gauze. And you take your little My Skin Buddy and you just place that gauze over the tip here. And then there's an attachment that comes with it. And you just pop that right over the gauze. So this is gonna give you a little physical exfoliation along with the product if you're using an enzyme or a scrub. And that extra little bit of physical exfoliation from the gauze feels really, really nice. It helps to remove the loosened dead skin, dirt and oil and debris. So I still have it on the cleansing phase. So I'm still feeling that heat along with the vibration. You're just gonna hold that button till you hear that beep. And then you'll just pop the lid off. I don't know if you can see, there's a little gunk on there. So it really helps get a nice deep cleanse. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm just gonna wipe the tip off, cleanse my face again with water. You can also take one of our treatment mists and spray that onto your little cotton pad for an additional professional treatment. So after you dampened the gauze, or you could dampen the gauze with the mist before you popped it on and did your exfoliation. I did forget that part. But now I'm going to put a mask on. Today I chose this hydrating, brightening mask. This is good for sensitive skin, uneven skin tone. This is by Azalea, so this is the papaya and pumpkin mask. And so the first click is the cleanse, and the second click is for infusing product. So you can use either the blue or the green or the red to infuse serums into the skin. You could just infuse the mist, one of the treatment mists, into the skin, or you can infuse your masks or even your moisturizers, so you can play around with that. So today I am actually having a little bit of a breakout. So I'm gonna do the blue infusion. So the blue LED light helps to create an oxygen-rich environment that bacteria can't live in. And so it's really good for inflamed acneic skin. And my husband, who has some psoriasis issues on his face, he loves using this device on the blue light. It helps to reduce his psoriasis and the inflammation on the skin on his face. So right now I'm having a little chin breakout, so I'm gonna focus there. And this can reduce the time that you need to leave a mask on. So if it's a mask that requires like 10 to 20 minutes, you can reduce that time because this is infusing it deeper into the epidermis of your skin. It just feels really, really nice. The infusion phase does not have the heat. It is just the ultrasonic vibration. So we are stimulating collagen and elasticity, infusing ingredients and products deeper into the skin. In a very short amount of time, you can have that professional treatment glow with just a few good professional products that you want to use with your device at home. You cannot use drugstore products and expect professional treatment results. So we're holding that down until we hear that beep. And then I will rinse that off. And now I will go ahead and use a little bit more of that white willow and juniper clearing mist. And I like to just spray it onto my fingertips and apply it like a serum. Now I was removing that mask in a hurry so I can still feel a little of that mask on my skin. So just take your time at home. And then because I'm having a little breakout on my chin, I'm going to do a dab of this Spot Stop, concentrated on my chin, and then take the residue and rub it through the rest of my T-zone. And then we put everybody on a good vitamin C. So this is the Circadia Vitamin C Reversal Serum. And I just put it everywhere. And then going back to my infusion phase, I'm going to use the red light for anti-aging. You can use the green light if you are really sensitive, if you have a lot of redness in your skin, or if you're trying to brighten hyperpigmentation. But the red is the anti-aging light, stimulating collagen, elasticity. You can even just give yourself just an eye treatment. You can put serums and eye creams on and just really infuse that into the eye area. If you have those forehead lines or the 11s between the brows. If you have issues with your neck, you can include that neck area with your serums, creams, and masks. And I am just going to finish off with the Sorella Quench and Protect Hydrating SPF. And this particular sunscreen is a chemical-free sunscreen. So it's a little bit more of a physical sunscreen. And it just takes a moment to blend in. But it does blend in beautifully. All right, and that's it. Just gave myself a beautiful, at-home, professional treatment. So if you need any recommendations for what types of products are going to be best for your skin to use with your My Skin Buddy at home, just give us a call. We can do a consultation. And of course, just give us a call if you want to pick up your own My Skin Buddy to use at home. So the ultrasonic facial at Emerge is $95, or you can purchase this tool and give yourself a facial treatment every week at home for the rest of your life. All right, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy your My Skin Buddy. Bye-bye.